This cutting-edge drone is poised to redefine the landscape of aerial photography. Based on leaked images and information, the Air 3S is expected to deliver exceptional performance and a suite of innovative features. One of the most anticipated aspects of the Air 3S is its advanced camera system. Rumored to feature a high-resolution sensor and a wide aperture, this camera is likely to capture stunning aerial footage with exceptional clarity and detail. Additionally, the drone is expected to boast a versatile zoom lens, allowing photographers to capture subjects from various distances and perspectives. Another key highlight of the Air 3S is its impressive flight capabilities. With powerful motors and intelligent flight modes, this drone is designed to offer a stable and controlled flying experience. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate details, the Air 3S is expected to deliver exceptional results. Stay tuned for more information on the DJI Air 3S as its official release date draws closer. This groundbreaking drone is set to elevate aerial photography to new heights, offering photographers and videographers alike the tools they need to capture stunning visuals. The DJI Air 3S showcases a sophisticated gray design, echoing the aesthetic of its predecessors. However, its defining feature lies in the dual camera setup on the front. This innovative configuration, complemented by a cutting-edge front sensor bar, significantly bolsters autonomy and flight safety. The bottom camera, equipped with an aperture of f2.4, provides adaptability across diverse lighting scenarios. The combination of these elements positions the Air 3S as a formidable drone capable of capturing stunning aerial footage with exceptional precision and reliability. The camera system incorporates a versatile dual-lens setup designed to cater to a wide range of photographic needs. The primary lens, a 24mm wide-angle, excels in capturing expansive landscapes and panoramic scenes. Its wide aperture allows for optimal light gathering, resulting in vibrant and detailed images even in low-light conditions. Complementing the wide-angle lens is a secondary 70mm telephoto lens. This telephoto lens offers the capability to zoom in on distant subjects, providing detailed close-ups that would otherwise be unattainable. Its longer focal length also enables cinematic perspectives, making it ideal for capturing portraits, wildlife, and sports events. To further enhance the system's versatility, a snap-on wide-angle lens with 6x magnification is available. This accessory allows for even more dramatic wide-angle shots, perfect for capturing vast landscapes, architecture, and group photos. The additional magnification provides a unique perspective, allowing users to capture more of the scene in a single frame. The DJI Air 3S is set to redefine the drone market with its advanced safety features and impressive performance. Equipped with enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, the drone can confidently navigate challenging environments. The new front sensor bar, potentially featuring LiDAR or infrared technology, promises even greater safety, especially in sports mode. A larger battery capacity translates to extended flight times, allowing users to capture more footage without interruption. Additionally, rumors suggest the Air 3S will support double registration, potentially unlocking pro-level functionalities similar to DJI's high-end Cine or Pro models. The DJI Air 3S Fly More combo is expected to retail for approximately USD $14.45. This comprehensive package includes the drone, RC2 controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, ND filters, and a carrying case. While the official release date remains uncertain, there's strong speculation pointing towards October 15th. As we eagerly await the official launch, the DJI Air 3S is poised to revolutionize aerial photography and videography with its cutting-edge technology and exceptional capabilities.